how are you doing today? DeeDeeBean here. Thank you very much for joining me. I am unboxing, let's call this a surprise unboxing, a mystery box of my own I created. I normally, when I get packages, I check them in and I have a little check off list, what I ordered, and I go through the tracking number and try to see what it is, and I'll write on the top of it. But this one apparently, I don't know what's in here. I know that it is, it's most likely from eBay or from Etsy, because it has a person's name instead of a business. So let's see what it is. I don't have, I don't have anything else, and it doesn't say like a business name on it or anything. So just Pitney Bowes. So we'll see how it is. So if you don't mind hitting that subscribe button, the like button, you know, do the do's, I would greatly appreciate it. The main thing is I just want you to know that I appreciate you being here, and it does help my channel grow if you do all the things, because it helps push my channels out. When you do searches and people do searches, then it'll push them up, because right now my stuff comes out way at the bottom, so they have to really search right down when they search for something. So so this is how it was packed, whatever it is. Oh, okay. This was from eBay. Let me look. This is a Alto Mini, the pebble green in the brown, and this was a bid, an actual bid. Because usually I buy, what's it called? Buy now. I usually do the buy nows because I don't like to mess with them. But this actually was on the bid, and my bid was $16.50, and nobody else bidded on it, so I got it. It's excited. A mini. It's a brown. So I have a light blue, and I have the light blue that was a vintage, and I have a red that I just purchased from on sale from Dooney.com. And now this one. So the other video of the opening of that Alto, comparing the past ones to the new one, it should be before this video. So let's see what it looks like. Well, here's the front, which is cute. Here's the side, here's the back, here's the other side, and here's the bottom. Got the four there. And then this one does have the key keeper. Oh, and it's a different key keeper. It has where you feed it through like that. So that's an older version. And this has the inside, which has the peacock design in there. Isn't that cute? This one is obviously has a lot of give, and it has the back zipper. Let's see, where is it? The back zipper, which works great, and that it has the pocket, and then it has a teeny tiny little pocket there for, you know, I guess they used to have the small cell phones. Let me see if this is the size. Oh, that barely fits. Let me see. Yeah, so there it goes. So the pocket is this, the width of this, and the length of this too. The daisy, this is the daisy, the mini daisy, Portland leather mini daisy little case here. And I keep my little remote in there for safekeeping. This has the pocket, I mean the magnetic, the hidden magnetic, and oh, okay. Oh, so this actually makes it, I didn't know that. Okay, I've learned something new. Okay, because I was able to open it up. Well, I opened it up, the tassels come through. Well, it actually works as a drawstring. Now that I didn't know. I wonder if that's how my Alto works and why I had trouble opening that up too. The new Alto. Okay, so this is why it was like that. And so they must have. So I'll have to look at the video, how they keep it, but there we go. And actually, I probably have these next to me, so hold on. Yeah, because I was doing the video earlier. So here, now I have a collection. 3 or more is a collection. Here we go. Here we go. We go. If you know, you know. YKK, YK, YKK, YK. Here we go. We go. If you know, you know. If you know, you know what that means. We go. Put it down in the description box. Okay, so here's my 3. This one, the little handles are a little limp. I'm gonna have to train these to stay up. These don't stay up as well. But there we go. We have my collection. So I have the light blue, baby blue, the red, which this is a new one, 2003, and these I'm not sure. I'm sure these were made in the same years, but they're vintage. Vintage-ish is what I say. These are vintage-ish because the styles aren't made anymore. They're discontinued styles, and I don't know what year they were created. Thank you very much for coming in. I'm glad that I was able to open up this mystery unboxing for you. The mystery unboxer created a collection for me. So thank you very much for coming. I love y'all. Bye-bye.